In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed. However, it's important to take a step back and prioritize our well-being in order to lead a happy, fulfilled life. Fortunately, there are simple yet effective practices that can significantly enhance our lives forever. These practices are proven to boost mood, increase energy levels, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Whether you're looking for a way to escape from the daily grind or simply want to improve your life, these 10 practices are a great place to start. For today's video, we'll explore each practice in detail and provide tips and guidance on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. So, whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a way to improve your life, this video is for you. Stay until the end in order to change your life for the better. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity has been shown to be one of the most effective ways to boost mood, increase energy levels, and reduce stress. Regular exercise can also improve overall physical and mental health, making it an essential part of any well-being routine. Exercise can take many forms, from running and cycling to yoga and strength training. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy and that you can realistically incorporate into your daily routine. If you're new to exercise, start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. One of the great things about exercise is that it can be done anywhere at any time. So whether you're at home, at the park, or traveling, there are plenty of opportunities to fit in a workout. Additionally, exercise can be a way to meet new people, as many people join sports teams or workout groups for social and fitness purposes. So if you're looking for a way to boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being, start incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's never been a better time to start. Number 2. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the good things in our lives. It's been shown to have a positive impact on mental and emotional health and is a simple yet powerful way to increase happiness and reduce stress. Practicing gratitude can be as simple as taking a few moments each day to reflect on things you're thankful for. You can write them down in a journal, share them with friends and family, or simply take a few minutes to reflect on your blessings. Focusing on the positive things in your life can help shift your perspective and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Gratitude can also help you build stronger relationships, as it encourages you to express appreciation and acknowledge the contribution of others. It can also improve your sleep, reduce stress and anxiety, and help you feel more fulfilled and satisfied with your life. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine is easy, and the benefits are well worth the effort. So, take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for and see how this simple practice can significantly enhance your life forever. I'm sure you will not regret it. Number 3. Get enough sleep to fulfill yourself. Sleep is one of the most important factors in overall health and well-being. It's during sleep that our bodies repair and recharge, and a lack of sleep can lead to physical and mental health problems. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, while children and teenagers need more. The quality of sleep is just as important as the quantity, and it is recommended to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, to avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and create a relaxing sleep environment. Getting enough sleep has been shown to improve memory, concentration, mood, and physical performance. It can also help reduce stress and anxiety, and can even help you maintain a healthy weight. So if you're struggling to get enough sleep, start by setting a bedtime and sticking to it. Turn off screens, read a book, or practice relaxation techniques to help you wind down before bed. And if you're still having trouble, consider talking to a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Number 4. Meditate. Meditation is the practice of quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment. It has been shown to have numerous benefits for physical and mental fitness and is a simple yet powerful tool to reducing stress and enhancing overall welfare. Meditation can take many forms, from mindfulness meditation to guided visualization. The key is to find a practice that works for you and that you can realistically incorporate into your daily routine. It's important to start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration over time. Meditation has been shown to improve sleep, reduce stress and anxiety, increase feelings of happiness and contentment, and even improve physical health by reducing inflammation and boosting the immune system. Hence, we suggest to reduce stress and enhance your overall wellness, start incorporating meditation into your daily routine. With the right approach and a little time and effort, you can see the benefits for yourself. Number 5, surround yourself with positive people. The people we surround ourselves with have a huge impact on our mood, outlook, and overall happiness. Spending time with negative or toxic people can bring us down, while spending time with positive and supportive people can lift us up. It's important to be intentional about who we spend time with and make an effort to surround ourselves with people who bring positivity into our lives. This might mean ending relationships with negative individuals or seeking out new friends and social connections who share our values and goals. Having positive relationships can help improve our self-esteem, reduce stress, and enhance our prevalent happiness. Positive people can also provide support and encouragement during challenging times, help us to stay motivated and on track. Reach out to friends, join clubs or groups with like-minded individuals, or simply make an effort to spend time with people who make you feel happy and inspired. You'll be amazed at the impact that this can have on your life. Number 6, reading for pleasure. Reading is a simple yet powerful practice that can significantly enhance your life. Not only does it stimulate your imagination and improve your vocabulary, but it can also provide a much-needed escape from the stress and demands of everyday life. Whether you're into mystery novels, biographies, or self-help books, reading for pleasure can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. Research has shown that reading can reduce stress, improve empathy and emotional intelligence, and even boost brain function. So why not ditch the screens and pick up a good book? You might be surprised at how quickly you become absorbed in the story and how much better you feel just after a few pages. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the feeling of being transported to another world, even if just for a little while? Incorporating reading into your daily routine is easy. Set aside some time each day to read for pleasure, whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Find a quiet spot, grab a cup of tea or coffee, and lose yourself in a good book. You'll be glad you did. Number 7, volunteering. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community, help those in need, and enhance your own life in the process. Whether you choose to volunteer at a local food bank, mentoring a young person, or walk dogs at an animal shelter, the opportunities to make a difference are endless. When you volunteer, you not only help others, but you also help yourself. Volunteering can improve your mood and reduce stress, increase your sense of purpose and fulfillment, and even boost your resume and job prospects. And the best part? Volunteering can be fun and a social activity. You can meet new people and learn new skills and make new connections. You can also volunteer with friends or family members, making it a great bonding experience. Find a volunteer opportunity that speaks to you and get involved. You'll be amazed at how good it feels to give back and how much it can improve your life. Number 8, set achievable goals for your life. Setting achievable goals is a key practice that can significantly enhance your life. By having a clear vision of what you want to achieve and taking small steps to get there, you can stay motivated and focused on your desired outcome. Goals give you direction and purpose, and they also help you track your progress and measure your success. Whether your goal is to learn a new skill, save money, or start a new hobby, setting achievable goals can help you achieve your dreams and live a more fulfilling life. When setting goals, it's important to make sure they are realistic and attainable. Start with smaller, short-term goals and work your way up to bigger, longer-term goals. Celebrate your successes along the way and make adjustments as needed. You'll be surprised how much more focused and motivated you'll feel and how much you can accomplish in a short amount of time if you start incorporating this in your everyday life. Number 9, stop multitasking. Multitasking might seem like a productive habit, but in reality, it can actually hinder your performance and stress you out. When you're trying to do too many things at once, your brain becomes overwhelmed and your attention span decreases, leading to mistakes and decreased quality of work. Instead of multitasking, try focusing on one task at a time. This allows you to fully immerse yourself in the task and complete it to the best of your ability. When you give your undivided attention to a task, you'll be able to work faster, more efficiently, and work with greater accuracy. Additionally, when you stop multitasking, you'll have more time and energy for the things that matter to you most. You'll be able to enjoy your work and your personal life without feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Number 10, practice minimalism. Minimalism is all about decluttering and simplifying your life. It's about letting go of the things that don't bring you joy or serve a purpose, and focusing on what truly matters. Minimalism can enhance your life in several ways. By getting rid of the clutter in your home, you'll have more physical space to breathe and relax in. This can reduce stress and anxiety and improve your overall well-being. Minimalism can also help you simplify your life by reducing the number of possessions you own. This can free up time and energy that you would otherwise spend managing and maintaining those possessions. With less clutter in your life, you'll have more time and energy to focus on the things that matter to you most, like your relationships, your passions, and your personal growth. In conclusion, there are 10 practices that can significantly enhance your life forever, from practicing gratitude and meditation to setting achievable goals and practicing minimalism. These habits can help you live happier and a more fulfilling life. So why not pick 1 or 2 practices to start with today and see how they can improve your life? Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.